I'm Wes, the auto body guy. After 15 years in the industry, I've decided it's time to share some of the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a step-by-step on prep, tape, and spraying of primer. So we've already DA'd with 320 grit all around the dent repair area. Now we're going with a red Scotch-Brite to just dull down any glossy paint. We don't want any primer on glossy paint. That causes a lot of issues. So do a thorough job with this. And then next we're going into the taping. See under the wheel arch here, we do a lot of back taping, so the sticky part is facing out, and then you just come back with paper and stick it to that. So the reason for this is to avoid any sharp primer edges. We're trying to blend it all out and go directly to the edge instead of taping an edge. That just makes it a lot harder for the next stage of prepping for the paint work. If you have sharp primer lines, that basically can create ripples and lines in the panels. So yeah, just going step by step through the taping up here. Usually with 36-inch paper like this, that covers, if you keep your pressure down and gun angle, you generally don't have any primer overspray if you have 36-inch paper around the primer area. While we're doing the tape up here, don't forget to absolutely crush the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for when we release new videos. So now that we've got it all taped up, we've got our primer mixed and our exhaust fan on, and we spray around 25 pounds of pressure. I know there's a huge variation in this and techniques and stuff, but that's about what I do, and we're looking for a medium to gloss finish, and I usually do 2 to 3 coats, and that's good coverage. Unless it's a large area or a complex repair, then we usually do a double prime. So we do 2 to 3 coats, let it cure, block it down, and then re-prime it. And that just does a really great job on the finished product. Thanks for coming and hanging out, guys. Hopefully this helps you guys out whenever you're priming stuff, and we'll see you on the next video.